Afternoon, folks. Doing a main challenge for Ben for his Malik Monk. Prizm at 8. Challenge is live. Our list has Aaron to Aaron. Will copy that list into the randomizer. It's 5:19 PM local time. Aaron on top. Aaron at the bottom. Dice roller, 2 dice, no snake eyes. It's a 12. Maximum 12. Here we go. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times. Aaron on top one more time, 520. Congrats, 2. Spot 2. It's Aaron picking up. We had to go 12 times and did go 12 times. Verification code at the bottom. Aaron in spot 2 has picked it up. Congrats. Challenge complete.